Hey guys, quick update again. Amazon came in really quickly, so it's Tuesday right now. I'm back at the shop. The new inertia switch arrived, and let's take it out of the packaging and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so here it is. Pretty much 100% identical, except that this one has the rubber cover on it is red, and this one is just black. So there's like a red cover over it. For some reason it rattles. I'm not sure if it's supposed to rattle or not, but got to figure out whether that's supposed to do what it's supposed to do or not. But anyway, here it is. I'm just going to go up there right now and see if I can get it plugged in and see what it does. Alright guys, so it's all plugged in right now. I just basically plugged it in. I haven't mounted it, but let's just see if it works. And if it works, then we have a win. If not, then we may have a dead one. It was $20, so I'm not expecting miracles. There you go. So I guess we had a slight mishap, but it seems to be working. So I guess it was the inertia switch, and this new one managed to solve the problem. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go back and plumb everything in the way it should be put in. Put together. It's all working as it should. I've put the cover back over the fuse box, but there's a couple of missing bolts that I guess somebody was in here before at some point and took the bolts out but never put them back in. It's kind of what you have to deal with when you buy a car that sat in a body shop for a year or so, between the time it was sold by the insurance company and the time they put it back on the auction. So I expect that I'll see some more anomalies like this. Okay, we're going to switch gears and go on to some of the other cars, but here's a quick update. It's inertia switch is bought, $20 at Amazon, installed, and it works fine. So anyone else who runs into this problem, you have a solution. Thank you.